know, in prep, there's one of the classes, there's one of the students who always asks for the recording, and she really practice it, and her maths just improve and improve and improve. So it's up to you also. Okay, I will put it up all on the YouTube. It's up to you. Now, which one to do? We try question number A. Apa itu? A and D. Shafika, turn on the video. Sorry, I forgot. No problem, Ilhan. Okay, we try this one. A and D. Shafika, turn on your video. Zahira, you see now, Zahira dah kena infected now. Zahira, turn on the video. Rahana, once you finish eating, turn on video. Okay, Hayan is the first one with the answer. Oh, sorry. Third. Which one? No. Sorry. Oh, wow. Okay, Hayan, what's your answer? Okay, Hayan correct. Zahira correct. Ilhan correct. Well done. What about the rest? And please do D straight, D straight, Here now has given the answer for this one. Let us see whether you're right, Mr. Here. Well done. Congratulations. Very easy, very easy, Okay. Your camera got problem. Okay. All right. You have shown me the proof. Okay. So Zahira's camera got problem. The rest come turn on your video lah. Okay. Well done to Hayan, have gotten both. It's very easy. Ilhan, you got to check, Ilhan. This is 135. No. We want to find what is X on here. Come on. Okay. Okay. Those who have finished the Hayan, can you do C also, Hayan? Sophia, wait, get 1 for 1, Sophia. This. Okay. Come on. Something is wrong. You just minus 39 cannot. Yeah, we go through one. This angle is actually equals to these two, 1 and 2. Why? Well, okay, so you take 180, no, not 180, 39 plus 41 will give you 80 degrees. You see why we can just add? Okay, let us do this way. Well done, Sophia. This one will be 100, what? Correct now. So 180 minus 100 will give you this 2, which is this angle. So 180 minus this 80, which is this 2. So every time you have a triangle like that, I'm sure your teachers may have taught you earlier, is equal to 2 of these angles, these 2. This one not equal to the other 2. Every time you have a straight line. Now this is not a straight line. You cannot say like that. This is equals to this 2. No. This is not a straight line. Okay, this one is penyapu. Okay, so we go down. Next one. Question number D now. Question number D. Zahira says correct. Well done, Zahira. What about the rest? Mr. Hayan, let's see whether your answer is correct. Sophia, your answer is correct also for question D. And Hayan, you have given an answer for C. Let's see whether you're right. Yes, congratulations, Hayan. Well done. Okay, you also gave others. C is okay. C, your correct answer, right? Okay. So for D, it's very easy. Is this 135 is equals to 2 of the opposite angle. So 90 plus what? Take 135 minus 90, give you this. You say, I don't understand what it is. Then you do the slow method. If you don't understand, you got to do a slow method. Again, I show you again. This angle is equal to these 2 opposite angles, not equal to this one. This angle here equals to these 2 angles. So 135 equals to 90 plus something. So take 135 minus 90, you get this, which is 45. So far, everyone got no problem. I'm not going to waste time on this. We are going to move on to more difficult one. Well done, Rahana. By the way, what you're eating, Rahana? Okay, this one now. We try E, Rick wrap. I cannot hear what you're saying. Rice. Mac wrap. Allahu Akbar. You're making us hungry now. Okay, you try this one now. All of you, It's the same thing. It's the same thing. You know, this is equilateral triangle. You know what to do. You know what to do. Equilateral triangles, how many degrees? You know, right? Remember, equilateral triangle, all angles are the same. All angles are the same. Take 180 divided by 3, you get your answer. And then you got to form equation. Come on, Shafika. Shafika, how are you doing in maths in school? Are you top in the class now? Near the top. Allahu Akbar, bagus, eh? Well done, well done, well done. Okay, one of the things you can do is to help your friends, teach your friends. Once you teach your friends, you will find that your maths gets better and better. But you must teach the correct thing. If you teach the wrong thing, your maths is going to get not so good. But if you teach the right thing, sometimes you will reinforce your correct method. Okay, here, once you have completed E, you can do F. Okay, but let us see. I'm doing mentally. I'm going to challenge all of you. Here we go. And go. Okay. Anyone, come on, come on, come on. I've just done it mentally. Come on. Come on, you can do this. Chew faster, Rahana. Come on, chew faster. You can do this, Rahana. Okay. How come everything is all spinning?
Find 2x.
Find 2x.
Find 2x or only x?
X. Every time they give you this, they will say find the unknown. Find X means what? Well done, Sophia has gotten it first. Let me see whether Rahana, you have not gotten it. Rahana, you say this is 60 is correct, it's 60. But now they want you to find X, not 60. Well done, Husna Shafika. Sophia and Husna Shafika, you can move on to F. Okay, those who are not so sure, we have to show you in a moment. This is the beginning of writing equations for algebra. Remember, Muslims created algebra. Don't be upset. We are supposed to be champions on this. Okay, we are supposed to be champions. Zahira, you know what to do, though, Zahira? Zahira, now your camera is off. I do not know. I cannot see you. Okay, so now you all know. Well done. Welcome, Rahana. You look fresher now, Rahana. This is the first time I'm seeing you. I've never seen you having eaten during the class. You look different. Okay, here we go. Not sure. Okay, you know this one, how many degrees, Zahira? You know how many degrees this one? Type in your answer. How many degrees? This is equilateral. No? Good. So you write down equation like that, Zahira. 2x, here also, plus 33 is equals to 60. Do like that. Okay. So Shafika, for the next one, okay, I'm not coming that yet. Then what do you do? 2x, you bring the 33 over that side. 60 minus 33. What do you get? You get 27. 27. So 2x equals to 27. What is x? X is 27 divided by 2. You must be able to do it like that. Huh? This is the way you do it. To get 13.5. As Datin Sophia and Datin Shafika says, 13.5 degrees. Well done. Okay, we're going to try for this one. We're going to see whether Shafika has gotten it correct. Let's see. Okay, I am now going to, let's see. Sophia and Shafika, one say 20, the other one say 21. We are not asking you the age where you're going to planning to get married. We are finding out what is X, please. Okay, so which one is correct, 20 or 21? You gotta check. Both of you check your answers, please. I'm not saying you're wrong. Okay, let me see. One of you is correct. The other one made a calculation error. Remember what we went through just now. This angle is equal to this plus this. Remember? Not this one. Remember not? Whether you remember not. This exterior angle straight line is equal to these two. So from the equation, these two add up together is equal to 135. One of you, come on, one of you, come on, one of you. You know, I feel as if I'm doing a show now here. Rahana, you understand how to do, right? That's why I'll show you how to do this X 13.5. So yeah, okay. So do the same thing. Come on, do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna erase this one. Hayen says the answer 30 now. One girl said 20, the other one said 21, another one said 30. I feel like this, you are giving me the age where you are planning to get married. Hayen says I'm going to get married at 30. Shafika says I'm getting married at 20. And Sophia says 21. I do not know whether it's true, but we are not asking you about that. We must find out about X. Come on. Cannot be all three correct. Okay, one of you is correct. So far, one of you is already correct. Okay, so let us see. Come on. Shafika, check answer. Hayen, check answer. Could Sophia be correct? Sophia also check answer lah. Here now says it's 20. Could Shafika be correct also? Shafika says 20. Here say IDK. Come on. Okay. Hey, you know that this 135 is equals to this two. You all know this one first. If you know that's from the equation, what's the equation? This angle plus this angle is equals to 135. So we write it down like an equation. Again, you must know this because this is the basics of algebra. Zahira, congratulations. Zahira have gotten the answer. Well done, Zahira. And that means, but what's the answer? We are not going to tell yet. You add together. So you add the numbers. This one is 30. Right? This two 5x. So 5x plus 30 is equals to 135. Uh-oh. Hey, Ian, congratulations. You got the answer now. Okay, that means Sophia's answer is correct. See, Sophia, very confident, Sophia. Now, so you bring over the 30 over there. Once you bring over 30, 135 minus 30, you get 105. What is equals to 105? 5x. Okay, x equals to 105 divided by 5. You get 21. So I want you to be very clear. How do we make the equation? You need to have the equal sign. Equal to what down here? Okay. And then, yeah, this 2 is equals to 135. I hope you're able to see that. Can we move on? We'll move on, okay? Or no, not yet. Okay. So since just now I was joking about ages, right? Ages of getting married. But I encourage my sons to get married early. And this is, since we're on this topic, this is very important because, especially for the girls, because the body, to have children, as you grow older, it gets more and more difficult. So that's why, but not too young lah. You must be matured enough, find out about finance, earn money. Don't wait until you have everything. Unfortunately, among the some people, they marry too late, 30 plus, 40. And then the children are still very young when they are old. Okay, can I go through? Okay, Shafika is looking there. So I'm going to clear. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay. This one look like interesting one. Okay, can you try question D first? G. Why am I saying D? You try G first. If you finish, then you do H. Okay. You say you cannot see the whole of H. Yeah, you cannot. Just draw that. Something like that. Okay. So how? This one, what to do? Okay, so I say I don't know what to do. Form an equation. What's the equation? These three angles, what do they add up to? 180, right? I'm giving you a clue already. But say I don't know what this one. You know. What is this one? You know what this one. This is isosceles. Which two angles are the same? You know. If you give the wrong value for this angle, that means you don't know lah. You know what this angle is. So take this plus this plus this equals to 180. That's the equation. Wow, Hen, very fast, Hen. Let's see now. Oh, let's see. Hen, if it's correct, let me just check. If it's correct, move on to the next one. Well done. Hen, well done. Shafika, well done. Sophia, well done. Please move on to the next one. Very easy. Once you get a hang of it, it's very easy. Okay, well done to the three of you. You are able to do the equation. Yeah, again, so Hen got it correct, Sophia and Shafika. Please move on to the next one. Try headache a little bit. Huh? It looks a bit headache. Can do, I can do. Zahira, no. Come, try check. Okay, I'm going to write down. Zahira, what is this angle? This one down here. You know what this is? Can you tell me what is it? Is it x plus 16 or 3x plus 8? Which one? Choose. Which one? X plus 16. Good. So x plus 16 plus x plus 16 plus 3x plus 8 equals to 180. Let's try. X plus 16. We right now. Plus x plus 16. Those who have done this, you got it correct. You can move on. Huh? I will tell you whether you're correct or not. Now, once you submit your answer, I'll tell you whether you're correct. Then plus 3x plus 8. 3x plus 8. Rahana can do now, Rahana. Okay, Sophia, just a moment. I have not checked. You just give me a moment. So now you count how many x are there, Zaira? 1, 2, plus 3. 5x, no? 5x. Then plus 16 plus 16. Okay, I use a different color lah. I cannot see. Okay, 16 plus 16, 32. 32 plus 8, 40, you know, plus 40. Plus 40 is equals to 180. So 5x is equals to 180 minus 40. You get 140. Then now last part, 140 divided by 5. You will get 28. 5. Why I put x? See, sometimes we will not 150, ya Allah. See my mind, I'm already thinking the answer. I'm saying one thing, I'm writing something else. So can you see not? Your mind, you must be conscious, no? Okay, 140 divided by 5, 28 degrees. Zahira, okay, Zahira? I hope you're okay. Okay, now we see now. Shafika has given the next answer. Sophia's answer is different. So Shafika and Sophia, please try. Check. Come on, what about Hayan? Come on, Hayan. You can do this. Okay, I'm going to do mentally. Ready and go. Not sure how to do. You believe in yourself lah. So far you have gotten everything correct already, Sophia. You have to believe in yourself. And you have to believe in rukun iman pertama, yaitu Allah tu wujud and He's great and He will give you the power. You got to believe that. So let us see now. Which one? This one is for H. Now you say the answer is same as H. I see. Earlier on was for G is correct. Okay. So let us see now. You can. Okay. I'm just going to show you one thing on you. What is this angle? This is X, vertically opposite. This must be X too. So this plus this equal 180 degrees. So how to find this? You know how to find this. You see this triangle here? 18 here. 43. You can find. Zahira's answer is 74. Shafika is 73. Let us see. Take 180 minus 43 minus 18. How much do you get? Let me see. 180. Or you can do straight. This one you can find out. You can plus those two interior angle. 43 plus 18. 53. 61. Just hold on. Let me check. 18 plus 14. 61. This is 61, Now you can find this really. Come on. Why don't you find this? Come on. Who is outside? Hold on. Let me just admit someone. Person disappear again. Okay, never mind. So 180 minus 61 minus 46 lah. You will get 73, I think. 180 minus 61 minus 46. Minus 100. 73, right? 73. Congratulations to Ms. Shafika. Well done. Confident, Good. Okay, here we go now. I hope it's okay. Anyone don't understand or not? Don't understand, please tell me. you are here for tuition and don't be embarrassed. Okay, well done, Hian. Okay, you are here for tuition, so don't be embarrassed. Okay, I know sometimes in school, when I was in school last time, especially for Bahasa Melayu, you know, last time the Malays used to be very, very good Malays. Like for example, there's one of the class that say berbadan dua. You know what it means, not berbadan dua? Sophia, you know. Syafiqah, what is berbadan dua?
Pregnant, right?
Pregnant, yeah. I didn't know who was pregnant, but you know, I do not know whether the rest know. Let's see. Sophia, you know berbadan dua is pregnant? No. You see, now the Malays, I am losing the language. And I used to be very embarrassed, you know, speaking Malay, because every time I get laughed at. And this is the habit. Okay, sometimes our own people, they like to laugh at others. Okay, if you feel embarrassed in school, down here, no one's gonna laugh at you. Everyone is on mute. No one's gonna laugh. Okay, so you try now X and Y. We try question number A first. Number is 45. Thought the number O. So you're okay, Zahira? I hope you're okay, Wow, very fast. Very fast. But what is that? Let me see. Are you sure? Too fast. Too fast. Let's see. Okay. Well done. That's for Y. Congratulations, Mr. Hian. Well done, Husna Shafiqah. Well done, Zahira. Sophia, come on, Sophia. Over. Sophia is typing. Okay. Sophia, congratulations. What about Ilhan and the rest? Raihana, where are you? Raihana, today you have already eaten. What? Is Raihana here? She's not here. Let me see. I cannot see. Raihana, you makan already, no? Raihana, today you must have more energy. Come on. Come on, Raihana, please. Hey, and you look as if you're in a grandma's place. This is your home or your grandma's place? Your home. Oh, home. Okay. See, soon I'll be able to recognize where you are. Only I do not know where Zahira is, but then she showed me somewhere in outer space, I think. But it's okay. Let us see now. Okay, this is what Sophia says for X. Zahira give X. Zahira and Shafiqah's answer for X is the same. So how? Okay, I have not thought through. Actually, you know. Well done, Zahira. Well done, Shafiqah. Look at the bigger picture, Miss Sophia. Sophia, look at the bigger picture. Look at this. I'm going to circle, Sophia. Watch. They put this, you know. You see, what is this? Look at ikan pari, a stingray. No, this is equilateral triangle. That means all are 60 degrees here, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. You want to find this? Very easy. Take 60 degrees minus this angle. What is this angle? You know what this angle is because it's an isosceles triangle over here. Come on. The rest start doing. Those who have done, please do question B, please. Here, well done. Sophia, well done. What about Raihana? What about Ilhan? Oh, Ilhan is out. What happened? He kena tendang. Ilhan, are you in or out? Ilhan is out. No wonder lah. In out. Okay, but never mind. Okay. Is in or out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. Oh, very fast, huh? Ian, let me see where you are, right? Congratulations, Ian. Well done. Well done, Ian. That's the right way. Okay, now I think our friend is coming. Oh, Ilhan is trying to come in. I didn't admit him this now. Double. Okay, let us see. Zahira says, congratulations, Zahira. Congratulations, Shafiqah. What about the rest down here? Wow, Ian has gone to the next one. L, huh? What's L? Okay, Shafiqah, and just a moment. Raihana, well done, Rai. Which one you doing? You're doing the first one. Okay, correct. Well done. Huh? So now for the next one, are you guys correct now? Let's see. 47, 42. Congratulations to Mr. Hayan, Zahira, Shafiqah for question B. X and Y all correct. Okay, just very quickly, I need to go through this. Well done, Sophia. Congratulations. So down here, very simple. Take 60 minus 36 degrees. This is 36 degrees. you get 24. Over here, how to do? Remember, this is a straight line. Okay, every time you have a straight line with a triangle, it must be straight line. This angle is equals to this plus this. Two of the opposite interior angle, not equal to this. So this x is equals to 42 plus 21. Very fast method. See how I cannot see. Well, if you cannot see, I will have to rotate, but I don't need to rotate, right? You can see this is a straight line. X is equal to 42 plus 21. If you don't know, then you go and find out what this angle is. Then take 180 minus this angle, you get this. It's the same answer. Okay, so what do you get? You get 63 over here. This is 63. Then 180 minus 63 minus 26, you get 91. Okay, that means it's rather simple. We are now going to move on to more difficult questions. More difficult questions. Is this difficult? Is this difficult? Is this quite easy? Easy. No. You want difficult one. This one, number 7, look a little bit complex. Number 7, please. Number 7. Angle should be something you all can score at. But remember, it is the self-belief. You have to believe in yourself. I showed you the Alexander Police video. Did I show you all the other day? No. Shafika, did I show Alexander Police? Sophia, no. His self-belief is very high, but sometimes too high. That is overconfident. Okay, I will show you now. Now it's really 8:30. Okay, just very quickly, I'll show you. Okay, you can check this out. Okay, I'll share sound here. Where is this? Down here. You can type down here Alexander Police. Who is he? He is Batman Cave. Have I shown this now? No. Okay. Okay, down here now. Can you see? He is going to fly, enter this small hole. You know. Okay, so let us see what happens. Can see, right? Oh, shown already. I'm just shown already. Then you all say no. I see all no. Okay, sorry. So he was overconfident lah. Okay, but he died. Yeah, he died. You all know he's dead already. Okay, but there are many things that you can do. Man going up to the moon is also a very confident thing. So you have to believe in yourself. People can do impossible stuff. You can do it too. In the Muslim world, you must know Muslim world is very backward. You got to make sure that you are Muslim who's progressive. You help the Muslim. Even in Singapore, you all know that. You all know that the poorest in Singapore are the Muslims. The highest number, I do not know whether you all know. The highest number of the poor people in Singapore are the Muslims. Highest number of drug addicts, Muslims. In Singapore, the highest number of teenage pregnancies, Muslims. Teenage pregnancy means they have babies in school. The Muslims. The highest number of people in jail, Muslims. So we are not exactly exemplary lah. Okay, we are opposite of exemplary. Anyway, I'm not telling you this for you to feel upset, but I'm telling you this so that you strive to become an example. Well done to Miss Shafika and Zahira, the two cousins. Hayan, well done. Well done. But there's one statistic. So far, I think it's not published. We Muslims, I think, have the lowest suicide rate. Why? Because of our belief in Allah. We will not kill ourselves because we believe we kill ourselves, what happens? We'll go to hell, right? I do not know whether you know. Shafika, you know that. If you kill yourself, you go to hell. Yes, right? So Muslims don't kill themselves. We try to tahan. And Alhamdulillah, I think we're okay. Let us see now. This one. Okay, Zahira, I got an answer. Wow, Husna Shafika also got an answer. Same thing. I'm trying to find out how do you get this answer. Oh, 45. Oh, yeah. Yeah. 65. Okay, well done, Shafika. Well done, Zahira. Well done. Hain, well done for that first one. Well done. Okay. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? Now, those who are not sure, remember, I'm going to give you some clue. Here you got to check. This one 90 degrees or so. So how to find x? Remember, this is a triangle. 135 is equals to x plus 90. So take 135 minus 90 equals to 45. You'll get 45 here. Somebody say, I don't understand it. Okay, remember, you can find this angle is 45. How you get 45? 180 minus 135 is 45. Then you can take 180 minus 90 minus 45, you get this also. Same thing, 45. But shortcut, exterior angle equals to 2 interior angles. Must be straight line here, must be straight line. Then you know this is 45. You can find out what this is what. This is 90, this is 25. This one must be what? 65. 65 plus 45 is 110. Here, no, cannot be. 180 minus 110 equals to 70. Look, this one is not more than 90 degrees. What? This is 180 degrees. Can see, right? The whole thing is 180 degrees. You minus 45 minus 65, get 70. Yeah? Or take 45 plus 65, 110 equals to 70. Okay, the next one now. Don't do the next one. I'm going to choose. Okay, if you have done the next one, we're going to ask now. Scalene. What is scalene? All three angles are different. Scalene means all three angles are different. You have isosceles, 2 angles are same. Equilateral, 3 angles are same. Okay, we're not going to do this one. Okay, I'm just telling you this one means this angle, this angle, this angle, different. This angle, this angle, this angle, different. Why are they telling you that? Well, maybe they're just testing you on your knowledge of the word scalene. Let us see. Okay, we try advance. You can see number 10, please. Number 10. And once you're done that, you can go to question 11. So the Muslims, just as you are doing, I'm just going to tell you some stuff. The Muslims, last time, we were very, very advanced. No? You know, the first person who tried to create a parachute is a Muslim. He jumped from the minaret, or the mosque. You know minaret? What do you call minaret? Minaret apa? Oh, minaret is menara. Menara. So he jumped and he landed. He was okay. First attempt was okay. Second attempt, he injured his back. But he was so known, and the people in Baghdad, I think, observed this. Today, someone has, one of the Westerners have named a part of the moon, a crater of moon after him. I forgot what's his name, Ibn something. Let us see. X now, let us see. Okay. Well done to Mr. Hayen for X, and Y, I'm coming to you for Y. Y cannot be there, Hayen. Look at this. It's an acute angle. It's not an obtuse angle. Obtuse means more than 90 degrees. It's a very small angle. So Y cannot be there. Husna Shafiqa also say Y also is 110. No, cannot be. I get 110. Okay, let us see. Well done. Okay. No, not well done. Here, I think you got to check again. You got to check. There are very easy way to get the answer, but what is the question for? Are you doing the next one here? Are you doing question 11 or question 10? Question 10. Okay, so your 72 is not correct. Your first one, the X is correct. So now this is your second attempt at answer. That is correct. So actually it's the same answer. Yes, well done. What about Shafiqa? What happened, Shafiqa? Come on, Shafiqa. Shafiqa say, coming lah. You don't rush me. Okay lah, Shafiqa. Sophia, come on, Sophia, come on, Sophia. Sophia say, the answer is, you showed us already. I show you your... All right, it's okay. No. Ibn Firnas, I think. The name of the guy is Ibn Firnas. Ibn Firnas. You see, sometimes the name just come. Okay, later we find out about Ibn Firnas. Like madrasah should be teaching this. Shafiqa, your madrasah teach about Ibn Firnas? No. Hayen, your school teach about Ibn Firnas? No. No, right? Sophia, your school teach you about Ibn Firnas? No lah. Hey, madrasah must be. Next time you all become adults, you work in madrasah, you make sure you teach about all this. You got to teach about great Muslims in the past, no? You have to do this. Just like when I went to Malaysia, You know, the first man to go around the globe is actually a Malay. You all know that, on a ship. I told the people in the university, I say, you should be teaching this in your textbook. Make the Malays feel very happy and proud, right? But I do not know. Anyway, okay, here we go. Are you already too slow? Come on, too slow. Zahira, well done, Zahira. Come on. Here, once you are done, you move on to question 11 here. Okay, don't wait. What about the rest? Ilhan and where's Rahana? Don't eat again. Rahana, come back and do this thing. Stop eating McDonald's food. Is bad for you. Once in a while, it's okay. You know, there's a documentary done about McDonald's food. This guy eat sakit, fall sick, you know. Fall sick, yeah. It is, if you eat once in a while, it's okay, but not all the time. Husna Shafika, congratulations. Zahira, congratulations. What about your ex? Okay, let's see now. DIK. Angle DIK. D. I can see. Hold on, here. Hold on. DIK. Well done, here. Yeah, well done. So, okay, you don't need to do it anymore. Just, okay, we're going to move on to this now. Very, very simple. Some of you are taking too long a time. Now, whenever you got two parallel lines, this is not parallel, sing it. Two parallel lines. And then, down here, like that. These two will always add up to 180. Remember that. So y and 144 will add up to 180 degrees. Just take 180 minus 144. No, these are the laws of Allah in the abstract. Abstract means the things you cannot see in angles. You know, you're learning mathematics. What you're learning? You're learning that proof that Allah exists, you know. That's what you are learning actually. I don't like now to learn this mathematics. You are learning this proof. All this, who created all these angle laws for angle? It's Allah. Okay, so that one is 136. Another, the next one, I'm going to use green. Eh? Remember, this is its exterior angle. It's equal to 3x plus x. So 4x is equal to 144. Say why? Remember, this exterior angle is equal to 2 interior angle. This is a straight line here. So x equals to 144 divided by 4. You get 36 also. Both answer for x and y is 36. I repeat, both answer for x and y is 36. Okay, let me share with you before we go on to the next one. I'll just share with you Ibn Firnas lah. Okay, you must know this. How come you don't know this? Okay, you got to, okay. So you type now Ibn Firnas. You can see now. Ibn Firnas down here. Okay, so now his name is Abbas Ibn Firnas. Can you see now? He has like a wing down here. So there's now we saw Alexander Poli. He did this in where? In Iraq. He was a great scientist in astronomy, engineering. Okay, he constructed a device indicated the motion of planets and stars in the universe. Now, can you imagine? So what happened? Aviation. Okay. Anyway, do they show now what happened? Let us see. You see down here, the crater Ibn Firnas on the moon is named in his honor. There's someone who discovered a crater. You know, crater means a hole. If you do not know what's hole, you look at your face in the mirror. If you have a lobang in your face, that's called a crater. But the crater is created by meteors. Of course, meteor didn't fall on your face. So on the moon, you have craters, holes. That's what it is. So let me see. Okay. He wrote a description. So this is what happened. One of the curious experiments he did. One is trying to fly. He covered himself with feathers, attached wings, and then he flung himself in the air, which witness he could fly. No, I don't think he did it this way. But down here, his back was hurt. Anyway, he was known as a person who could jump from the minaret down, and he glided. It's a very dangerous stunt, but it's like a parachute, something like parachute. Okay, we get back to our maths. Again, some of you will be wondering, why am I learning all this? Remember, mathematics is actually the proof, one of the proof that God exists. See why I need to know about God? Why? You see some people in Korea killing themselves. They have no meaning in life. So for you, you don't fall in that way. All right, this is quadrilateral. A quadrilateral means quad means 4. Okay, those of you know this a little bit of English lesson here. Bi means what? 2. Bicycle. Trishaw, tricycle means 3. Quad means 4. Okay, quadrilateral means 4. So it's a 4-sided figure. All 4-sided figures, they add up to 360. You must remember that. All 4-sided figures add up to 360. So parallelogram, what's a parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. So can you see a rectangle is also a parallelogram? Because opposite sides are also parallel. So a rectangle is a special parallelogram where all angles are 90 degrees. So a rhombus is also a special parallelogram. Not only are they parallel opposite sides, but their length are all the same. It's like a Saget square. Okay, it's like a Saget square. So you must be able to see, don't see it as different. This is actually all parallelogram. Square, rhombus, rectangle, parallelogram are all parallelograms. What are parallelogram? Opposite lengths are the same. Opposite sides are the same and parallel. Okay. Okay. So you have trapezium, only one pair of parallel sides. This one you call it kite lah. Okay, but anyway. Okay, we're going to go into angles. Here we go. Okay, we start with easy ones first. DBC, DAC. DBC, DAC. DBC, DAC. Okay, you do DAC first. It's very easy. You don't need to label. You just tell me what the answer is and that will be okay. How to do this? Okay, let me see. Okay, hold on. I just want to show you. Let us go on the net and learn something first. So you can go into the internet, of course, check the site. Rhombus, internal lines intersect. Let us see. So this one down here, they tell you something down here. A rhombus, can you see rhombus? Can you see now? When you draw the lines like that, it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Remember that. Rhombus, if it's a rhombus, you draw the lines from the diagonals on the inside, they will intersect at 90 degrees. Get it? And you must know this quality, okay, this characteristic, otherwise you cannot do the question. I repeat, rhombus, this is a rhombus. What is a rhombus? It's a Saget square. All sides are the same. The internal diagonals meet at 90 degrees. Meet at 90 degrees. Okay, so we are going to go back to your question now. You know how to do this? Should be able to, should be able to. Anybody, you heard the explanation I showed you, right? You all know what's the angle down here? We're going to ask Rahana, I'm going to check now. Rahana, what is the angle down here? How many degrees, Rahana? Is it 60, 80, or 100? Rahana, you're not listening just now. Huh? 80. Okay,
Yeah, I left the
okay, now I show again, no problem. Okay, so you go now to down here. This is a rhombus. Rhombus, the internal intersection of the diagonals is 90 degrees. Always 90 degrees. You draw the line from here to here. You draw the line from here will be 90 degrees. Remember, this is a rule. Then Rayana say, how come you didn't say 90? You just say 80, 100, and 70. Well, just to test whether you were listening. Okay, don't sometimes give the wrong answer so that you can test. Okay, come on. You can do this. Come on, come on, come on, boys and girls. Come on, boys and girls. Come on, Hen. You know what to do, Hen? Zahira, come on, Zahira. Let me see. Miss 60. Yeah. This one is now what? Okay, Shafika said 36. So, Shafika, well done. Shafika, it's all Shafika. Shafika, you've been writing 36, 336. So it's correct. Okay, I'm going to just show you very, very quickly. Yeah. Down here now. Sophia, what angle is this? 90. Remember, diagonals of rhombus will meet each other at 90. All is 90. All 90, 90, 90, 90. So how to find this? 180 minus 90 minus 54, get, as Kakak Shafika says, 36 degrees. Well done. Then what about down here? Come on, very easy. Come on, very easy. Come on. Do the Z, do the Z, do the Z, do the Z. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Do the Z. 54, yes. Every time you have two parallel lines, you must be parallel, okay? This and this will be the same. Okay, not parallel, let's say like that. Not like that, cannot be the same lah. You cannot say this one, you can say this is not correct. Must be parallel. Okay. All right, we move on. We move on. You all can do this. You must be able to master all of this. Trapezium. What is a trapezium? Two sides are parallel. Only two sides. Now, you try now. BAC, back, and reflex. Reflex means more than 180 degrees. So angle ACD, which one is it? ACD. What are they talking about? Which angle? Not this one. You know, they say they didn't say this one. They say reflex. No, you must know what this means. This means more than 180 degrees. So they're asking for which one? For this one. Didn't draw to this one now here. This angle here. Okay, so remember, reflex is more than 180 degrees. All right, can you try question number 4? Number 4. Okay, one of the differences, just for your, this is knowledge, between the Malays in Singapore, Malaysia, and the Malays in Indonesia. Malays in Indonesia, when they say the word R, it will be R. I do not know whether you all know that. You give me one word, R. Contoh satu. You say ular, they will say ular. That is a. But the Indonesian language, and I'm not saying this because my wife is Indonesian, the Indonesian language is more precise. When we say buah masak, masak is cooked, cannot be. It's buah matang. Matang means ripe, mature. Okay, let me go charge my. Yeah, I seem to get my headphones going for a swim all the time, and then rosak. Just hold on, let me plug it in. Okay, let us see who has done it now. Siapa? No one. I hope you all are there. You all know what to do now. Back. Wait. Okay, Shafika say wait. Shafika exactly like Shafia. The difference is Shafika really does her work. Well done. Encourage your sister to concentrate. She a little bit joker. Your sister joker at home. Hey, your sister is there. Hey, The Spy. Okay, Shafia, I will make a movie for you called The Spy. Which one is 60 degrees BAC? Cannot be lah, Shafika. You must read properly lah, Jofka. This one now they say B. Drop you AC, you know. This one is 60 the whole thing. We are talking about this green part down here. Okay. So it's not 60, Come on, boys, girls, you can do this. Zahira says 30. So Zahira says, my cousin says 60 wrong. I'm thinking this one, look, I divide by 2 lah, cut 2. Are you right? Well, let me see. Well, you are correct actually. But you cannot divide by 2. But your answer is correct, but you cannot divide by 2. Zahira, do you divide by 2, Zahira? Yes, no. Do you divide by 2 or you do other way? Hira, don't talk to me. I do not want to talk to you. Why? Raihana. How? Okay not? I'm tired. I eat McDonald's food. I feel very tired. I told you, right? McDonald's food is not good for you. Okay, after that, if you're tired, straight. Hayan, come on, Hayan, come on. Shafika, son. Don't. Shafia, don't disturb your sister anymore. She needs to study. But you know what, Shafia sometimes message me, not Shafika. See, my sister is playing. That's what she said. But I'm looking at Shafika, she's not playing. What? No, okay, you didn't divide that way. Well done. That means you did the correct method. Zahira, well done. Come on. Too slow, lah. Too slow. Okay. All right, here we go. We'll show you the method. We have to show you the method. Or don't show you the method. Which one? You got to decide. This one is parallel to this one. So I draw down here. I draw one side. Okay, imagine it's parallel. That means these two must add up to 180 degrees. If this is 60, this one on here is 60. How much is this one on top? 180 minus 60, you get 120 down here. Sophia, 120 here, Sophia. Then this is now isosceles triangle. This plus this. These two are the same. So how to find these two green angle? 180 minus 120 get 60. 60 divided by 2 get 30. And Zahira is the only one getting this correct. Congratulations, Ms. Zahira. Okay. Get your present from Inshira later. Okay. She knows what the present is. Okay, then you need to find now reflex angle is down here. Come on, you can do this. Very simple. Use the same rule I've just taught you. Use the same rule. You can do this. You can do this. Come on. Okay, we'll give you another 30 seconds.
What's reflex?
Reflex, as I said, only more than 180 degrees. So it's the red color part, this angle. If they don't use reflex, you might think the angle is this one. But the angle is not this one. They are saying the red one. Okay, reflex means more than 180 degrees. So I apologize if you hear me repeating. Why? Because sometimes some students might not be at the desk. Sometimes at the desk, mine is somewhere else. It's okay. So I will repeat. Don't this tutor always repeating himself. Let us see. Is she correct, Shafika? Shafika, I think your answer is not correct. Come on, try. Zahira 232. Okay, so here the answers. Zahira said 232. Shafika says 292. Come on, you know what this is? No, this one is how much? 30 degrees. The whole thing 360. You can find this one, right? See how to find. Look, remember what I told you now. Two parallel lines where these two angles will add up to 180 degrees. Take 180 minus 52, you get this angle here. What is it? It's 1, 2, 8. Right? And then what do? You minus this one, minus 30. Minus 30, what do you get? 98. 98 for this one. Yeah. So you want to find the red part, 360 minus 98. And the answer is 242. For a while, suddenly, I became 262. 262. Okay.
The red color one, right, teacher, must find.
Yeah, the red color one. Okay, now maybe there's too many stuff here, so I'm gonna erase down here now. Okay, I'm gonna draw again blue color now. Blue color down here. Hey, Allah. Ni tak ada ink. Blue. This one. Okay. So we just revise. Okay. Small angle. Like this. Small angle. What do you call this? You remember a small normally very cute lah. You look at the small children, very cute. Some of you say no, my brother or sister not cute lah. Imagine lah, they're not your brother or sister, or imagine them very cute. They don't disturb you. It's a cute angle. A cute angle. Okay, this is a cute right angle. You know, right? 90 degrees. Now then, you know people who are gemuk, they are called what? Obese. Right? Obese means fat lah. I am considered fat. I'm very sad actually. Okay, but now let's say now down here now we have this more than 90 degrees is obese. Obtuse. Hey, don't call it obese angle. Your teacher might be wrong. But it cannot be more than 180. More than 180 is reflex angle. More like this one, reflex angle. Okay. Okay, so what reflex you want to imagine? Okay, you want to imagine down here. Okay, imagine now you have a pimple down here lah. This pimple now or this tight lalat is your reflex angle. Imagine lah. Okay, if you want to. Okay, sometimes we imagine the nonsense thing, you remember it better. I have students coming out to me and they forgot whatever I thought. They remember, teacher, you told me the joke. I said, what joke they are telling? I don't even remember that joke. Yeah, I say you told me this joke. Okay, I hope you learn some new important stuff. Okay, very quickly. Can you find what's X and Y? You see, but there's no angle. You know what it is. These two will add up to what? You know. Remember straight line. You know. Come on, Hayan. Are you there? Over, Hayan. You look at statue. Come on. Come back. Don't be like Stamford Raffles. Stamford Raffles is a statue. Now he's a statue lah. We know him as a statue in Singapore. You know there's 2 Stamford Raffles statues in Singapore. And you know Suhaimi Yusof. You know Suhaimi Yusof? He one day, last time lah, I knew him. In fact, I met him recently last year. I asked him, do you remember me? He said, I don't remember you. But he fetched me from my home 3 times. And one of the days he brought me to where? To the Stamford Raffles statue. Later I'll show you. And he asked me this question. Later I'll show you what it is. But let us try now, find what's X. And those of you wondering why I keep talking out of context is basically to keep the interest in place. Say, can you just share something more interesting? Well done, Husna Shafiqa. Congratulations. Straight. Yes, it's correct. Well done. Hayan, come on, Hayan. You gotta try Hayan. Question number 6, Hayan. Hayan. Well done, Zahira. Well done. Rahana, nice hair. But try this question. Rahana nampak nak tidur ni. That's why I know why your grandparents don't allow you to eat. Because you feel sleepy after that. And yeah, I am also the same. Just now I ate something, I slept straight. But it's not a good habit. I have a friend, every time after eating, and this is in the film, does he eat a lot and then he sleep? What do you think happened? The throat cancer. Because he had reflux. When you sleep, your food is not digested. It has not gone into the intestine. Oh, the food can go up to the throat. I do not know how. And then, but fortunately, alhamdulillah, it's okay. Let's see. Sophia, I'm so sorry, it's not correct. You divided it by 10 when there's only 9. Count again. Let us try now. Preschool mathematics. No, just joking. Don't feel offended. Husna Shafiqa, let's see whether you're correct. Husna Shafiqa. Oh. Husna Shafiqa. You're correct. Well done. Shafiqa, well done. Shafiqa, how much are you scoring in maths now? Are you getting 80s? 70s? Why? Don't be malu lah. Well done, Sophia, well done. Okay, so if you all didn't do well in PSLE, it's okay. You'll realize that if you just continue to focus, maths is going to be chicken. But remember, it's up to you. Your parents cannot force you. This is you now. Your parents not going to force you. Even your parents force you to attend tuition. If you don't want to focus, what can they do? They cannot do anything.
Can I go take water?
Please take water, guys. Abela,
Sure, can I go take water?
Yes, take water. Those who want to take water and throw water, so carry on. You know what's throw water, right? Buang air. Anyway, here we go. This and this now add up to 180 degrees. 3x plus 6x is equals to 9x. 9x equals to 180 degrees. Why 180 degrees? Remember I told you, you have two parallel lines. You draw a line, these two angles will be 180. These two angles also will become 180. So now, okay, here we go. 9x, 180x, 180 divided by 9, I get 20. Now this angle here is the same as this angle. These two are the same one. So this one is how much? 21 is 20. 3 times 20 is 60. This one is 60. You say, I don't believe. Okay, this is a parallel line. These two angles will add up to 180. If you don't believe, this is 60. 60 plus what equals 120? 60 plus 120 equals 180. Yeah? So this one must be 60. Yeah, correct? So these two are the same. These two are the same. Okay, so we move on. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Trapezium. Very unique trapezium. It looks like a kite, but it's not a kite. This is a trapezium. I'm going to make it bigger. Try. Come on, try. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You want me to show you now? Stanford Raffles, the thing. It is just to, where is it? Down here. So you put Stanford Raffles. This, okay, for those of you who do not know who's Jaime Yusuf, this one. This is the guy lah. Last time I knew him last time, a long time ago. And then he wanted us to work together lah. But he cannot remember me now, so yeah, too bad lah. That shows I'm not a star. Kesian, my wife said, kesian. It's very true. So we try Stanford Raffles statue. So down here now you have a couple of Stanford Raffles statues. So he brought me to this particular one, not the black one. He said the white one, the bigger one. So he asked me to stand up down here and say, what is Raffles stepping on? He asked me. I said, I don't know. This one, something. He asked me to look, what is Stanford Raffles stepping on? So when I look at it, it looked like some map or something. And he was saying that most probably is the Malay Sultan's agreement. I do not know whether it's true or not. But something very interesting. Why? Stanford Raffles did agreement with the Malay Sultan, and then after that maybe he didn't honor the agreement. I do not know why are there so many of them. Maybe this is not the real one. But this is the one. If you can check next time, you can see him stepping on something. I do not know what it is. I think another possibility is he's stepping on the map of the area, which shows that he's the ruler of the area. So what is this? All these I do not think some of them not real. So we go back to it. Okay, let's try this one. So how did I meet Swami Yusuf? I was working in a place where he opened up a Malay food stall, and he was making prata and all. Can you imagine? So I really respect him because he's trying, but he made a loss. He said, all the money I spent making jual mee rebus, wasting my money. I should just work and get more money. You can make a loss. Not easy to go into business, but when you go into business, you succeed. You can provide people with jobs. Like Andalus, for example. Andalus got 10 centers. No, I did a documentary on them. More than 10 centers. They have more than 100 workers. And they can give jobs to Muslims. So if you, and then you know, when you work in a Muslim company, you don't need to worry about Salat, right? I work in a couple of Muslim companies. I don't need to worry about Salat. In fact, they encourage me to Salat. Let us see now. Husna Shafiqah has given an answer. B, C, D. We are looking at this one. Huh? And she says the answer is that. Is she correct? 120, 132. Congratulations, Husna Shafika. Well done. You understand the concept. Well done. Okay, I think you will score 80 this year. Are you taking express one or normal academic? Express?
Express.
Express. Express. Express. So this one, so maybe there might be topic I don't cover. We may have to hold some extra sessions for you. Maybe together with Abang lah. Abang also express. But I don't know how I'm going to teach Trigo to him and to you. So boleh tahan express. So you are in Aljunied, right? Abang take care of you not? Abang bully you? No. Abang not disturbing. Abang bully.
Different school.
Different school. I thought it's Aljunied also.
Yeah, Arabia.
Oh, Arabia. Okay, okay. Okay. All right. Here, ADC. ADC. Come on, come on. ADC. Sophia, come on, Sophia. Are you okay, Sophia? You look very tired. Are you helping your mother your housework? I have one student in primary 6. She will message me, teacher, I'm going to be late. That's last week you mentioned. I'm helping my mother to make kicap sotong masak kicap. Wow, I say, wow. Can you imagine? Of course, I'm not saying only for girls, for boys also. Yeah. So y'all, if you can, help your parents lah. Yeah, I used to help my mom. From 10 years old, 9 years old, I'll go to the market every day, almost every day. Even when I broke my hand also, I had to go market and carry things. Right until now. But now, now I use a trolley. I cannot carry so much. I become very old. Very old. Miss Shafika. Shafika, your answer can be ADC. Shafika, you know which one is ADC now? Down here, no? Okay, I draw. I draw. This ADC, no, big angle. Not big enough. Your answer is not big enough. Hannah, come on, Hannah, come back. You makan as a sleepy. Now you drink as a mabuk. What are you drinking? Is it water? What? Like that. I'm okay. I showed you all I'm mabuk before. No? Did I show you? Have I shown you mabuk? I drank jamu. I become mabuk. You want to see me mabuk? No? Want to see? No, no. Shafika said, no, don't see. Okay, my wife was the culprit. She made for me that jamu. And I become, yeah. All right, let's see whether Shafika can get it correct for this one. So far, only Shafika is responding. Let's see. The rest, what happened to Zahira? Zahira, where are you? Zahira, cousin, come back, cousin. Cousin, paging for Zahira. Zahira. My spaceship is in outer space. Zahira, come back, Zahira, to Earth. Wait. Oh, yeah lah. Now baru dia. Let us see. I don't think your answer is right. Shafika. Okay, let me just check. I got the answer, but the answer, if you all look at it, you can get the answer. It's quite a good question. But let us see. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Very easy. Okay, I'm going to show you. I do not know whether you all know or do not. What type of triangle is this? Can you see ikan pari? You know what's ikan pari? Do you see ikan pari here? Okay, let me just show you what I mean by ikan pari. When I say, I'm not joking when I say it looks like ikan pari. Okay, where's the ikan pari? Hold on, I'll show you. Ikan pari. What is ikan pari? It's stingray lah. Not the one that is look, can you see now? Very cute face. I see like a isosceles triangle lah from here. That's what I see. Can you see this one? Ikan pari, This is the underneath. Can you see? So it looks to me like an isosceles triangle. If you can see, this is what I see it like that. Sometimes I'll see. Can you see now? See, Allah created all this. It's not by chance. No, He make the shapes and all. Okay, but so anyway, we come back to this one now. I'll show you this one. So I see an ikan pari. Every time I see isosceles, sometimes I see ikan pari lah. So down here now is 78 degrees. Can see now. Husna Shafika, well done. Now you got it. So now what about the next one then? The next one now you watch now. Watch now. What is this angle here? Watch. Can you see a Z not here? Zing, zing, zing. See why got sound effect? Okay, just my style lah. Okay. So down here now, this one is also 78 degrees. Because remember, two parallel lines. Okay, let's say I have one parallel line here, one parallel line here. When I put, okay, not parallel, one parallel line here. When I put a line like that, this will be equal. So this is equal to 78 also. 78 plus 78, 156. So you don't need to do much thinking if you crack your head and look for patterns. Some of you are calculating until you're too tired. Okay, we have another 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes, only 11 minutes. Okay, so let's try that. Focus. Kite. Okay, kite. Let us look at about kite now. Is this 90 degrees? It looks at 90 degrees. So let us check now. Okay, kite. We check for this one now. Internal angles of kite. See, it's 90 degrees. Can you see now? You must be able to see all this stuff, you know. See, it's 90 degrees. So it's like a rhombus, right? Rhombus is also 90 degrees. Okay? Anyway. So the other thing is these two angles are the same. These two angles are the same. You draw a line, you divide by 2, 40, 40. Okay, but this one you cannot divide by 2. So one side is bigger, the other side is small. Okay, we will go back to that. Try. Boys and girls, if you just focus, concentrate, even once a week, you focus 100%, your maths will improve. So you cannot blame your parents, you cannot blame anyone. You got to blame yourself. Right? If you don't focus, you better blame yourself. And normally the maturity will come, realization will come when? Sec 2, Sec 3. So I meet a lot of students, Sec 2, Sec 3, then they realize the importance of education. A little bit too late. Why? You got so much to catch up. CBD, Central Business District, CBD. Let us see. Congratulations, Ms. Shafika. Well done. Okay, this one, later I'll tell you about CBD and Stafford Raffles, and a story about Munshi Abdullah and Raffles. A story they should remember because this is sometimes the characteristic of the Muslims or the Malay Muslims, whether the Munshi Abdullah is partly Indian or Arab. Some people say Arab or Indian, but he's a Malay-nized. The thing is considered the father of Malay literature, but he also is suffering from the same sickness. What sickness? I'll tell you in a moment. Come on. Okay, Shafika alone has given the answer. What about Zahira? What about Raihana? What about Sophia? What about Hayan? What about Ilhan? What about anyone else? All the names. Come on. Very fast. Bad. Let's see whether you're right. You see, Shafika is taking the effort to, and she has the stamina to tahan. Because of that, she will probably improve a lot. Well done, Shafika. Sophia, almost there. Sophia, you made a mistake in one of your calculation. Now, I do not know whether you ever question yourself why the word bad is like so good, so cool. No, it's not. It's not that. Not that, Sophia. Congratulations, Rahana. You know that the word bad is like the cool word. Michael Jackson, before he died, he released an album called Bad. And he sang a song, I'm bad, I'm bad. I do not know, you know that. He's saying, I'm bad as if it's good. No one sings, I'm good, right? But this guy sings, I'm bad, I'm bad. Later, I'll let you, you all heard the song before, no? Shafika, you heard, I'm bad? No. Of course, it's stylish, lah. Not the way I'm singing. A friend of mine was telling me, Rahana, no, that's not true, Rahana. You gotta try again. Not correct, I mean. Was in Malaysia, this friend, relative of mine, the one that berak inside the basket, he was telling me, Zahira, well done, Zahira, correct for that CBD. He heard some person saying, oh, chichichit. Said, oh, but chichichit. So this is what is chichichit. So he took up Michael Jackson's album, This Is It. But he couldn't pronounce chichichit. Anyway. All right, we are going to go through very quickly. Zahira has given an answer for CBD. And CBD, for your information, in Singapore, if you say CBD, you know what it means? Central Business District. Who was the one who planned for this? Stamford Raffles. We'll come to that in a moment. So CBD is C, B, and D here. As we saw just now, this is the same as this one. Both are the same. You know this is 90, 180 minus 90 minus 50, you get 40. So CBD is also 40. Simple, right? Now the next one. The next one, remember this is also 27. And then ikan pari here, right? So these two angles are the same. Which two? The green angles. They are the same. So take 180 minus 27 is 54. 180 minus 54, what do you get? You will get 126. You want to find one of the green angle, 126, divided by 2. What do you get? You get 63. So 63 here, 63 here. Yes, 113. But yours a little bit too big. Yes, 113. Yes, well done. So add these two lah. 50 plus 63, 113. Okay, I just show you very quickly that the word bad is considered cool. I do not know whether you know all this, but we don't normally sing stuff that to say we are good lah. Say we are bad. So you have now Michael Jackson. Where's Michael Jackson? So why is this important for you to know? Well, sometimes at higher levels you might be writing essays, so you can give this as an example. You know? Michael Jackson. You know, Michael Jackson's brother is a Muslim, and he was hoping that Michael Jackson become Muslim, but he said he don't think so lah. Bad tour, bad album. Can you see now? So down here now, this is this called bad. So just for you again, we are. I do not know. Are you able to hear? Yes, you are able to hear. Let's hear this one very quickly. Shortened version, and this is. Why I want to show you that. Basically, he's just saying he's bad lah. Okay, down here you'll be saying he's bad. Nah, never mind lah. The other one I wanted to show you is this. CBD, Central Business. If you want to district, Singapore, Raffles. Now, as I told you, this happened in, we have maps down here. The CBD is in Raffles Place. But where is the map? Old map. Raffles drew a map. See, Raffles, he planned something like that. He was planning, and he was planning to have maybe down here. But this is the new map. What about the old map? Old British map. Let us see. We have old British map. Let's try CBD old map. Something like that. Maybe they might be having this. So he planned down here. Can you see over here? You can't see. But anyway, he knew Munshi Abdullah. You all know who's Munshi Abdullah? I don't think you know. But Munshi Abdullah is considered the father of Malay literature. So Munshi Abdullah was Stamford Raffles' Malay teacher. How do I know this? I read the Hikayat Munshi Abdullah. Okay, this is the guy lah, Munshi Abdullah. Some say he's mixed with Indian blood, mixed with Arab blood. He can speak Tamil, Urdu, Arabic, Malay. These are language. So there down here you have Abdullah bin Abdul Qadir Munshi and all that. So Hikayat Abdullah, this was the book I read. So he met Raffles. Raffles said, look, I'm going to build the CBD area. The CBD is which one? This town area here. And I want you to buy a property there, he says. See why? Because after a while, the property prices will go up. Now, how did Raffles know about this? The British, you must know, they were conquering the world. They built towns. So they know after a while, the price will increase. Now, it's like you buy a property in Orchard. After a while, there will be more and more people wanting to buy the price. So Munshi Abdullah said, I got no money. What did Raffles say? I will lend you the money. What did Munshi Abdullah say? He thought about it. He says, I go back and think first. Then he came back and says, sorry, I think I don't want. And then what happened after that? A few months later, I think it was 6 months or so, the prices actually went up like double, you know. And then what did Munshi Abdullah say? I should have bought. And this is our Muslims in Singapore, we are like that. We cannot see opportunity. You know? We must take risks. Sometimes we have to take, but not gila-gila risks. We have to take risks and we have to invest. Okay, I have come to the end of the lesson, but I want you to tell me, can you type your in your chat what you are doing in school? So I know what to cover. You want me to cover percentage next week? Area and perimeter. Area perimeter is quite easy, right? Percentage, is it okay? Yes, a percentage. Okay. So I will go through different part of percentage. By the way, do you know the book that's now I went through is actually the express book. You were doing express questions. So some of you might be normal academic. It's okay. You can do it. So next week, I might be taking from the express book. Maybe. All right, you take care of yourself. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.